Hello, everybody. It is your favorite traveling channel, and I am here back again with another hotel room tour. Today, we are staying at Aviator in St. Louis, Missouri. So I'll show you what this hotel looks like. Starting with the door. Flip the camera. Alright, so walk in the door. There it is. Pretty standard. Right, so you walk in, right? Go to the left. Here's the bathroom right here. Turn the light on. Nice big vanity. See what they give you. Shampoo. Oh, body wash. That's cool. I always prefer when they give you body wash instead of a little bar of soap. Well, there's one of those two. But there's also body wash. Lotion, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, bar of soap. Vanity, a mirror. With your favorite content creator. To the right, there's some towels. Not all nice and folded, nice and fancy. I almost don't want to use them. Then the shower. With a nice fancy shower head. Does this move? No, it doesn't. That's just for, it just looks fancy. Right, so on to the main part of the room. There's a space for your clothes and or luggage, ironing board, iron. Now that trash is from me. I went down to the lobby and got some snacks. That is my doing. So yeah, I have to disclose that so you don't think that there's trash in the hotel when you come in it. And they gave me a double bed, which I don't know why, but whatever. I mean, I don't need two beds, but maybe I'll sleep on one, wake up 4 hours later, sleep on the other. Just two beds, may as well use them both. Okay, nice picture of some flowers. Coffee maker. I wish they would give you hot chocolate instead of as an option, because not everybody likes coffee. I don't. But anyway, there's a coffee maker. If you like coffee, that's great. Ice bucket with some cups. All pretty standard. Flat screen TV. With a dresser. Remote. There's one of the beds. There's the other bed with my laptop case on it. Clock radio, which is not set to the right time. Not that that's a deal breaker or anything. I just wanted to let you know it is not that time. Notepad, so you can leave notes to the staff when you leave. Landline, which I doubt anyone's going to use. Outlets on the lamp. Chair. Another lamp over there. Kind of in an awkward place. Air conditioning unit, which works very well. It is 85 degrees, and this works to the point where I was actually cold. Not cool, cold. Another lamp, outlets, plenty of outlets for the desk. In case you want to bring a TV and a game system and plug it all in right there. Although I don't know why bring a TV when you have one there. Maybe you want to bring a bunch of laptops and have a LAN party. I don't know. The window. And last but not least, the view. With a glare, so it's going to be kind of hard to see. There's like a view of the next building which is like part of the hotel more. There's the highway. And there's a sign that says, what is that? Car accident, slip and fall, 411 pain. So yeah, if you've been in a car accident or just slipped and fell, call 411 pain apparently. Nice thing to see, right? Like right when you look out the window, pain. Without love, pain, can't get enough. Oh, I didn't jump on the bed yet. Yep, it's a comfy bed. Comfy pillows too. So yeah, a pretty pleasant experience for a pretty cheap hotel, actually. So this is the Aviator Hotel, and going with that theme, like everything here, it's like aviation themed. And I don't know if there's like a story behind that, but yeah, I mean it's cool, I guess. I mean, it's definitely something different, something I haven't seen before. As far as amenities go, there is like a market, like a place where you can buy food, like downstairs, as well as a pool table. I have not seen that in a hotel before, but yeah, that's there, so that's cool. So yeah, overall, good hotel, good experience. Would recommend, would stay again. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because I'm gonna see Nightwish, and that's gonna be sick, and it's gonna be on this channel. But to see them, I have to travel over the hills and far away. That's it.